Here returning a rental car. Going to get on the bus.
Match your plane check to your bag. Ensure that you collect your own bag.
Huge terminal. I got this jackrabbit thing. Okay, so I'm here in Sacramento, California, and forgot we have to take a train. So we'll wait here 2 minutes. Cool, they have a little area where you can dump your liquids. So yeah, now we go through school. I don't know. 8:39. It's gonna take us about 2 minutes to get to our gate from here. Maybe a minute. Oh, we're here. Yeah, we made it. All right, so boarding out of B-14. This is my flight to Denver. Here's our plane that just got here. So I wanted to show you. You know, because this is a night flight, I'm not going to be able to get much until they turn off all the lights. So I'll get what I can. And yeah, let's go back home to Denver. Here we are.
Oh, yes, please.
Got like row 7. Oh no! What did I do? You mind? Took myself. As you can see, the time on the clock there says 1:54. Our flight, it was actually on the, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes in, all of a sudden all these people are getting up, and I'm like, what in the world is going on? Because I'm like watching a movie, and then I ask, apparently somebody had a stroke. They literally had a stroke on the plane, and then everybody was good enough to help them. They were fine, they didn't stop anywhere, and yeah, it was really bizarre, but they didn't go land in Salt Lake or Reno or anywhere else they could have gone. They kept on going because I guess the person was fine. So here we are, a little behind because the flight was delayed. All right, so getting an Uber to go back to my place. Had the weirdest train ride. Literally hopped on the train, and then the train went the wrong direction, and we sat there for like 2 minutes while it stopped. And then all of a sudden it took us right back to our area that we just come from. I need to get some rest tonight, even though I got to work tomorrow. And then Tuesday I have a little time off, I think. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing this. And Wednesday I'm flying to Las Vegas. So I need to figure out what my Uber ride is. It said 1 minute away, I think, when I checked it last. So I'm gonna go down here. You should tell 2 o'clock in the morning. Not much going on here. But as always, thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like it in the future. As always, take flight. Zone H.